Hey, Derek, tell us more. How are you getting on?
Thanks very much, Tommy. Francesca Atch from Consider It Cakes joins us now. Francesca, what a spray you put on for us here this morning.
Doesn't it look delicious, Derek?
Delicious. Tell us about Consider It Cakes.
Yeah, so we are a group of hobby bakers who bake free birthday cakes for people in direct provision or emergency accommodation. And I think the beauty of the group is actually that we show that something as simple as a birthday cake can actually mean so much to someone. We know we don't change the world with it, but it can really make someone's day, and sometimes just feeling loved and valued on one day can actually have a big impact on someone who feels lonely and isolated.
Now, you have volunteers all over the country.
Yes, we do. We have over 600 volunteers, all hobby bakers from all age groups, and it's a win-win situation for everyone because we love baking and the people who are receiving it love receiving the cakes as well.
Absolutely. Not only do you look after birthdays, what else do you look after?
So we also do homeless distributions because the homeless have a lot bigger problems than celebrating their birthday. So we come together with charities like Simon Community, Novas, Reaching of Homeless, who give them the, like the necessities, hot food, and then we give them a nice treat, and you can really see that it makes such a difference to get a nice dessert, a cake, something that they don't get every day. And then, for instance, for Valentine's Day, we made little goodie bags and we wrote Happy Valentine's Day. It was a little hard. And the man who received it from our lovely girl, it's like it was just changing, it made their day,
Made their day. And speaking of distribution, Gina, you obviously deliver all the cakes.
I do indeed, yes.
And what has the reaction been on the ground?
It's been amazing. Yeah, you can see their faces lighting up so much. It makes them feel so special. You can really see
And
it.
you don't bake.
I don't
yeah,
bake, no.
you
I
don't.
just drive.
You just drive. And finally, we're going to say hello to two ladies here, Sinead Duffy. Sinead, why did you get involved?
It just seemed like a really fantastic thing to do, just to make people happy.
Absolutely. And Wendy?
Yes, I joined about a year ago. I thought it was very worthwhile. Just homemade bakes designed to make people feel special.
Absolutely. Everyone feels special here this morning. You can check them out online, Consider It Cakes on social. They're looking for lots of male volunteers as well. Yes, so Tommy, we're asking you to get involved. You too, Al.
If somebody wants
Got you
food
guys in the
poisoning, I'm your mad.
No, but as a driver, well, you have to come to Belfast. Come down
exactly,
from
it would
Belfast.
take me a
But I
while.
do it, yeah. Thanks very much, Derek, for that. It's so
amazing.
lovely.
Like, it's a little simple thing, and as I think Francesca said there, it's not changing the world, but it's just something
Helping.
nice to show you
Yeah.
care.
Lovely.
Yeah,
I love that.
It really is.
Really nice.
Now,